Today, we bring you thrilling news from the world of Poco smartphones. Poco is set to unveil their new smartphone series, Poco F6 and F6 Pro, this week. We've gathered some information about this new series, so let's delve into it. Firstly, let's discuss the design and build. Both the Poco F6 and F6 Pro showcase sleek designs with slim profiles. The F6 Pro, in particular, flaunts an elegant glass back, possibly with an aluminum frame. While the brand hasn't released the detailed spec sheet for the F6 Duo yet, it has unveiled their designs. The Poco F6 features 3 circles on its rear, 2 housing cameras and 1 for the flash. The Poco F6 Pro, on the other hand, sports 4 circles on its rear, 3 for the cameras and 1 for the flash. On the front, there's a stunning 6.67-inch OLED HDR10 Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 4000 nits brightness, and a resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels. It also features a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera. The phones will be available in black, silver, blue, green, and purple color options. Moving on to performance, the Poco F6 Pro is a powerhouse. It's equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and Adreno 740 GPU, offering lightning-fast performance. Furthermore, with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, multitasking and app switching are seamless. All of this runs on Android 14 HyperOS. Now, let's discuss the cameras. The Poco F6 boasts a 50-megapixel main camera with the Sony IMX882 sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 20-megapixel selfie camera. Meanwhile, the F6 Pro takes it up a notch with a 50-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 16-megapixel wide selfie camera. Both phones can capture stunning photos and videos at 8K WARA 24 FPS and 4K WARA 2430 60 FPS. Battery life is crucial, right? Well, the Poco F6 Pro comes with a massive 5000 mAh battery. And guess what? It supports 120 watts fast charging. This means you can go from 0 to 100% in just 18 minutes. Impressive, isn't it? While we don't have official prices yet, rumors suggest that both phones will offer flagship tier features at an affordable price, retailing for around €690. The Poco F6 Pro package includes a 120-watt charger, a charging cable, a protective case, and a SIM ejector tool. Keep an eye out for the global launch event on May 23rd. So which one should you choose? Well, it depends on your priorities. Let us know in the comments which one you're excited about. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any questions or specific features you'd like to see in action, drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video, Tech Aficionados.